Hello everyone. So need to cancel a Western Union transfer online. Here's how to do it step by step without using the mobile app directly. So first go to westernunion.com and log into your Western Union account. And if not, you'll need to register if you don't have an account. Now once you're signed in, go to your recent transfers. Let me zoom in. So and go to your recent transfers and then click on the transfer you want to cancel. Then choose show details. Now, if your transfer is eligible for online cancellation, you'll then see a cancel transfer link. If not, then that means the money is already on the receiver's end and you won't be able to cancel the transfer. So that's it. Just click on this link, follow the instructions to cancel your transfer. Now, if you do not see this one, then it hasn't been picked up or deposited. And don't worry, there is still time. So just contact customer care for they will be able to assist you with further cancellation procedure. And that's all there is to it. You can also cancel in-person initiated money transfers as well. Just visit the same agent where you have made the transfer or the branch of the same agent. And make sure to keep your government issued ID with you so that they can verify you ID, and then you can also contact your customer care to cancel the transfer. You can also, like, if it is US to US money transfer, then you can cancel it via phone. Just contact customer care, they will be able to assist you with cancellation procedure. So that's all there is to it, and I'll see you in the next video.